In this video, let's take a look at the quote best photo editing app for Android. So obviously best can only be defined and set by you, but I'm going to show you what I like to use and some options which a lot of people use. So the main one that people stick with is the Photoshop, especially on Android tablets, right? Or like the larger phones. It makes sense to use Photoshop as it works well, even though you need to have a subscription, but it most definitely is one of the best ways you can use or edit videos and the photos within your phone, right? So the UI works almost as on a computer. You've got most of the text editing tools and all of the filters and all of the things you can tweak about your photos. So if you ask me, obviously it's not at the desktop level, but it's as close as we can get, I believe, on the mobile version. So if you already have like a subscription for Adobe products, then Photoshop is going to be one of the best apps you can use to edit photos. But obviously this one is a bit more professional. And there is like a learning curve before you fully get the most out of the app. However, the other app I want to show you, which is a lot easier and a lot more people use it, is one called the Hypic, right? So the Hypic is like an app from the creators of CapCut, which, as you might know, I'm a big fan of. Like CapCut is a video editor and Hypic is a photo editor. And you can get the app for free. Obviously, there are some paid features, but most of the stuff can be done for free. And this is where it gets interesting because we've got some AI filters in here. We've got so many adjustments and like the exposure, contrast, all of the stuff, the basic stuff is there. But on top of that, you can see we've got the AI comic looks filters. We've got the, so many different effects, templates, stickers and background things you can add. Obviously, you can layer stuff on the top of each other. So it's not just that you change and tweak the colors, you can literally work with it as an actual photo editor. When you add elements, you rotate them, you can see change sizes of all of the elements. So it's getting close to Photoshop, but for much, it's a lot easier to get started and actually use it because it's much clearer. It's not as professional as Photoshop, but it gets a lot of the things done while keeping it kind of simple. So let me know below in the comments what you think. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.